So what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, being the 30th day of June 2024, HE Peter Obi had an exclusive interview with Channels Television, and on that interview he talked about Nnamdi Kanu, and he urged the federal government to let him go. Why? Because they have already the courts granted him bail, so the government should not hold him down again, that they should let him go. Well, that's the video here. Let me play it for you guys. Let's listen to it together.
Anything why is his continued detention, quite frankly, especially as the law, the courts have granted him bail.
Well, that's actually true though.
Government must obey the law.
Nigeria government, they hear that one.
It's an intrinsic asset that we must cherish and live with.
Yeah.
And I've said I'm going to discuss with every agitator. And I use the same opportunity to play to government to ensure that all those who are in similar conditions are released and discussed with.
I wish they were here.
Democratic government.
I wish they were here.
We shouldn't be doing things that are arbitrary and not within the law. I'm against riots. I'm against destruction of government assets. I'm not against peaceful protests. But it must be for reasons, not for...
Okay, you guys heard him there. You heard everything he said. I believe that this message should be passed across the presidency, because Nnamdi Kanu has been in detention for more than 3 years. If I am wrong, please correct me. He has been in that detention for more than 3 years, and it's enough time to let the young man go about his activities. Now, this is a new government. He wasn't even in detention in this government. He was in detention in Buhari government, and now this is Tinubu government. But I don't know why. And according to what he said here now, he has met his bail term. So why are they still keeping him in that detention is what Nigerians don't really know. And it's not funny. Do you understand? This has nothing to do with Igbo, Hausa or Yoruba. Like you heard him clearly there. He said if he's the one, he's ready to, discuss and negotiate with every agitator. And he's also ready to do what? He's against destroying government properties. He said it there all. Well, I will allow you guys be the judge. In the comment section, let's talk about it, guys.